Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the Isle Evrima best settings. Optimizing your settings improves FPS and makes combat smoother. Go to Settings in-game. First, head to the Graphics menu. One of the heaviest graphics settings is Lumen. This setting controls how lighting is simulated in the environment. Turn this off. It significantly improves FPS and also prevents nighttime from becoming too dark. Effects set to medium or high will make foliage sway in-game. If you want more FPS, set this to low, but medium adds a bit more life to the environment. You can set clouds to static since you'll mostly be focused on the ground rather than the sky. Set view distance to close, especially for PvP. Player render distance is the same for everyone, so increasing it won't let you see enemies earlier. A higher setting can even obstruct visibility in some cases. Next, go to the gameplay menu. Make sure to enable manual alt attack so you can cycle between left mouse button attacks while holding the alt key on your keyboard. Disable both enable foliage settings. If you're new to the game, turn on interaction assist. Lastly, head to controls and review your keybinds. Change them to keys you're comfortable using. These settings help maintain smoother gameplay and better visibility. And that's the Isle Evrima best settings. Thank you so much for watching.